Hey guys, it's me again. How are you doing? Today I'm going to be doing a art haul video. This time I picked up a bunch of stuff from, I believe it's called Ryman, not quite sure. So let's see what goodies I have. Pretty small, but I did get some really good things. Alright, so first up, I'm going to take all the stuff out. Put that to the side. So the very first thing I got that I think is going to be useful, this basket, it's like a curved knit. It's not actually knitted, but it's like a plastic knitted basket. And yeah, I bought this. I got it on clearance for £2. And they had some bigger ones too, but the reason why I picked this one up was because I've been starting to do the decoupage, and someone had recommended to get a shoebox and put a bag of rice in the shoebox. I guess the idea was, one, if you've ever done like decoupage, like having things like saran wrap or plastic, I guess it just sort of helps like absorb some of like maybe the glue, and like when you start gluing your papers down, like how I've done here with this one, and you saran wrap it and you kind of like lay it down flat, it can easily come off. So I think someone had suggested a shoebox with like a bag of rice. Seems like a waste of rice really, but I just did it anyway because it was pretty affordable. So now I'm going to be putting like my objects in here and stuff like that when I work on my decoupage. So here goes my little basket with the rice in there. I didn't have an empty shoebox, and any other box I had was too big, so that's the very first thing. I'll put this to the side. Okay, next thing up, so I'll do like some of the more boring things that I got. Next up was some Ryman pack of 10 assorted colors document clips. Again, not too art related, but I did think it was kind of useful a little bit, and they seemed also pretty strong. So, like, they don't feel weak at all. They seem pretty solid. So you never know. You never know when you kind of need these things. So I got that for £2. Good. Next up, I'll show you. So I got these cool, I think this is called Stabilo Trio Deco. And it was £10, but I got it for $5. Pretty good. So, yeah. I'm pretty excited for this. I can't wait to really test that out. Let's see how I open it from the side. Yeah, these look pretty exciting. So basically a bunch of metallic, let's see what it says. Let's see if I can get some of that sticker off. It's metallic fiber tip pens. So we'll see. That's pretty good. That's a good deal, I think. Basically got it for half off. Next are this is a brand called Staedtler 36 colored pencils, which is pretty insane. I mean, I get that it's probably a cheaper brand of colored pencils, but that's pretty good for £5, I think. I think that's really, really good. They taped it. Gonna have to get like my X-Acto knife, open it up. See, just cut this open a little bit. See if I can get that open. Yeah, look at that. Look at all that. That's cool. That's really cool. Oh man, I totally love the vibe of it too, because it's got like, yeah. This is pretty neat. This is really neat. So I got that for £5. Yeah, they had a bunch of stuff on clearance. They had way more than this, but I didn't want to spend all my money. And next thing that I thought was really interesting, The Snowman. I don't know if anyone's ever watched the movie before. I love it. It's a Christmas classic. It's a British Christmas classic. So I got the Snowman and the Snow Dog stickers. That's right. They actually made a sequel. The Snowman and the Snow Dog. So it was £1 and I got it for 50p. So I'm going to open this up real quick. And like the stickers that comes with it. So I guess the first set of stickers on top. It's like that. Almost like soft, like kind of plushy kind. It's pretty neat. I don't really watch the sequel too often, but yeah, it was still a pretty cool film. There are more stickers. Here are like some like holographic ones. So I plan to using these and maybe like in my decoupage is the plan. That's why I picked it up. Look at all those. These are pretty neat. And not only do I plan on using it in my decoupage, I even got these from a charity shop. I didn't get these at Ryman, but I figured how fitting is that? So, yeah, pretty excited. And last but not least, this is really good. Ugh. PVA glue. Look at all that glue for $4.99, basically £5 again, which this is a lot of glue, but I know you can use PVA for decoupage. I don't know if you can use washable PVA glue. I feel like it doesn't really matter. I know I've already tried using PVA glue and that was totally fine. I am, however, just for a review video, you know, later on I will be reviewing this I picked up in an art store. So, but yeah, other than that, I have used PVA glue before, so there is going to be lots of collages coming soon. So, anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye, and take care.
Hey, listen!